that Scrum team should consist of 3 to 9 members. With smaller teams, it is easier to communicate efficiently. Hello everyone and welcome back to the 10th part of our Agile Fundamentals series. Today we are going to look into another very important role within a Scrum team, that is the role of the developers. When we talk about this role in the Scrum team, that is the development team, there is no surprise on what they do. They are the ones responsible for turning the product backlog items into working increments of the product. Their roles and responsibilities include writing the code, testing, designing the software, and ensuring that the delivered features meet the definition of done criteria. Developers collaborate closely with each other and engage in daily stand-up meetings to discuss progress, resolve impediments, and plan their work for the day. They should be self-organized and take ownership of the work while making decisions based on their skill set, expertise, and experience. Even the development team must maintain a high level of transparency by regularly updating their progress and what they are doing. Ultimately, their focus should be delivering valuable, high quality increments of the product in a time boxed interval, that is a sprint. Now, what should be the structure of the development team? Well, ideally, the Scrum development team should be highly dynamic and cross-functional. That is, every member should possess a wide array of skills and expertise necessary to effectively carry out their work, eliminating the need for external dependencies. The team members should have full stack capabilities, that is, they should know how to work on both front end and back end development tasks. This team should be able to handle different sub roles as well, like testers, developers, BAs, designers, quality analysts, etc. The diversity in skills and expertise play an important role in taking the product forward. Next is what should be the size of the development team. While there is no strict rule on the team size in Scrum, it's generally recommended that Scrum team should consist of 3 to 9 members. With smaller teams, it is easier to communicate efficiently, while larger teams may face coordination challenges. Remember that the team size should be chosen to optimize collaboration and productivity. Now let's move forward and discuss the key responsibilities of a development team. But before that, I wanted to share some information with you guys. If you are looking for in-depth and informative courses, you can explore my website at www.managementbliss.com and to see if any of them is helpful to you. Okay, coming back, the key responsibilities of the development team include: first, deliver product increments which are shippable in each sprint. This means that at the end of every sprint, the team completes work on a part of a product that is fully functional, thoroughly tested, and ready for release. This iterative approach ensures that valuable, high-quality increments of the product are continuously available for deployment. Determine the best methods and strategies for completing the tasks, meaning that the team should do thoughtful planning and decision making during the task execution. They should assess the available options and select the most effective approach and create strategies that optimize productivity so that more items are delivered with lesser efforts. Third, ensuring quality. This means that the team members must rigorously test and refine their work items to meet the specific requirements and standards outlined for each task, ensuring that all the user expectations are met and the product backlog items they're working on fulfill the acceptance criteria. Fourth, work collaboratively both within the team and with other stakeholders. There should be open communication, cooperation and teamwork among team members as well as the product owner and the scrum master. We all know that collaborative efforts ensure alignment, transparency, and successful product development within the Scrum framework. Agile promotes face-to-face communication, but if it is not possible, use tools like video conferencing or communication helps within the tools, for example, adding comments in Jira issues. Fifth, continuously find ways to improve processes and adapt to feedback. This signifies a commitment to ongoing self-assessment and a willingness to make iterative adjustments in response to feedback from team members, stakeholders, retrospectives, etc. When development team participates in sprint reviews and sprint retrospections, they get a lot of feedback from different stakeholders as well as suggestions with respect to improvement. Sixth, actively participating in all Scrum events like sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives. This engagement ensures that team members are fully aligned with project goals. They share progress and challenges, gather feedback, and collaboratively reflect on their work. Seventh, ensure transparency. This means providing visibility into all aspects of project, including work progress, impediments, and decision-making process. The development team can achieve this by participating in daily stand-ups and updating their progress via tools, for example, updating the time pending and time elapsed for a particular task. Now let's move forward and discuss the essential skill set for the development team. The most important ones among these are: first, technical expertise. Development team members should have good technical knowledge and expertise in their respective domains, whether it's programming, testing, design, or any other specialized area. Second, collaborative mindset. Collaboration is the fundamental aspect of Agile and Scrum. Team members should have a collaborative mindset which involves sharing of knowledge, sharing of ideas, issues, and experiences with their peers. Third, problem-solving skills. Software development often involves handling challenges. Effective development team members exhibit strong problem-solving skills so that they can analyze complex issues, identify innovative solutions, and implement them efficiently. This skill is crucial for overcoming obstacles during the development process. Fourth, willingness to adapt. The development team members should be willing to adapt to changing requirements, technologies, methodologies, and market dynamics. Being open to changes ensure that the team can remain effective even during the competitive market times. Fifth, effective communication. Clear and open communication is essential both within the development team and other stakeholders. Team members should be proficient in conveying technical and functional concepts as well as issues so that everyone shares a common understanding of what is being discussed. Sixth, eagerness to learn. Development team members should have an enthusiasm for learning and improving their skills and knowledge, which includes both functional and technical knowledge. Commitment to learn new things not only benefits themselves but also contributes to the team's overall effectiveness in delivering value. Now that we have discussed the primary responsibilities and required skill set, let's also examine what a development team should not be doing. Firstly, working in isolation is counterproductive for the development team members. The success of the product relies on teamwork and collaboration. Secondly, it's important for the team not to skip Scrum ceremonies like sprint retrospectives, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, etc. the members of the team should understand that these are not just the formalities but crucial for progress, issue identification, and continuous improvement. Thirdly, another critical aspect is timely data entry for hours spent and hours spending on each task assigned to them. Neglecting this practice can hinder essential information models such as burn up and burn down charts, which are important for predicting the sprint as well as the overall project progress. So that wraps up this video. I trust you found the information here helpful. Let's keep in touch on LinkedIn and continue the conversation in the YouTube's comment section. Thank you for tuning in. Bye for now. And please do not forget to subscribe the channel.